Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that's what cards does Venmo accept? Now, before we get into that, I want to take a moment to talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay back debts, or just send a gift. What cards does Venmo accept? So, now that we know what Venmo is, let's get to the question at hand. What cards does Venmo accept? The answer is that Venmo accepts most major credit and debit cards. This includes Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. However, there are few exceptions. Venmo does not accept prepaid cards, gift cards, or business cards. How to add a card to Venmo? Now that we know what cards Venmo accepts, let's talk about how to add a card to your account. To add a card to Venmo, you'll need to log into your account and go to the Settings tab. Then, click on Payment Methods. From there, you can click on Add a Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card information, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Once you've entered your information, click on Submit. 1. OnlineIrishCasinos.com. OnlineIrishCasinos.com. How to use Venmo. Now that you've added a card to your Venmo account, let's talk about how to use it. To use Venmo, you can either send money to someone or request money from someone. To send money to someone, you'll need to enter their Venmo username or phone number. You can also choose to add a note to your payment. To request money from someone, you'll need to enter their Venmo username or phone number and the amount you're requesting. You can also choose to add a note to your request. Venmo fees. Venmo is a free app to use, but there are some fees associated with using it. If you use a debit card to send or receive money, there is no fee. If you use a credit card to send or receive money, there is a 3% fee. If you send money to someone internationally, there is a 5% fee. Venmo security. Venmo is a safe and secure way to send and receive money. They use a number of security measures to protect your information, including encryption and two-factor authentication. So, that's all I have for you today on what cards does Venmo accept. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about what cards does Venmo accept. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.